Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to create date dimension or date table in Power BI by using DAX. We can also create date dimension table with the help of Power Query using M language. Why we require date dimension table? I'll answer this question with the help of an example. Let's say we have two tables, sales and returns. On both the tables we have date column in common. Now the requirement is to create a visual where we'll be having sales on bar values, returns on line values, and on x-axis we'll have date. So like this, we know that we are having sales and return values are coming from two different tables. We'll be creating a date dimension table or date table. So let's say we have a date table in here, and we will relate date table to both sales and return table so that we can use this date dimension table columns on the x-axis so that we'll get the required or desired output. So this is an example for why we require date dimension tables in Power BI. So in this session, I'll be going to create few of the columns like this. I'll be defining these columns on Power BI by using DAX with the help of calculated table. I'm going to create a calculated table to create date table with the help of DAX. I named this calculated table as date. Now I'm going to use variables with the help of var function, where I'm passing start date and end date from the table itself. So I'm going to take start and end dates from our date table, our fact table itself. Now we have start date and end date. I'm going to return the required output. I'm using add columns function to add the columns, the required columns onto the table. I'm using calendar function to result in dates between these two dates. So the start date and end date of end date. I'm passing the variables which we created. You can also pass start date and end date with the help of date function like this. So by using date function, you can pass year and months, and you can pass with the help of date function. You can pass here start date and end date as per your requirement. I'm going to result in here. I'm using year function for this. Now I'm going to create month. For this I'll be using month function. The month function will result in month number. Now I'll result in quarter number with the help of quarter function. Now I will create month name. By using format function. Let's see the result. So now if you see, we got date, we got year, month, quarter and month name. Till now we have done this. So let's create other columns as well. I'm going to create quarter name. I'm concatenating Q with the quarter number. So now if you see, we got quarter name as well. So let's see other columns which we need to create here. So year month name, day name. So now I'm going to create year, month, number. Let's put a comma here. With the help of format function, I will do that. Format date column using custom formatting. Let's execute this and check the result. Now if you see, we got the result as required. Now I'm going to create year month name instead of year month number, which we already created to. So I copied the same and I'm just going to make some changes here. Now I'm going to create day name. With the help of format function. So now if you see, we got the result as per the requirement. By using DAX with the help of calculated table, we can create date dimension table as per the requirement. We can use different kinds of functions here. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.